Hey everybody, it is your boy Evan Jones here. Well, it finally came. In this box is my new digital camera. So, let's open this up and see what we get. Hopefully this is actually the right one, because that would be bad if it wasn't. Okay. Aha! What I have is the Canon Eos M50. This is pretty much the starter entry to Canon's DSLR line. So, yeah. This came to me about like, I think the price range was about $756. And yeah, I don't know what else it comes with other than the lens and the camera. So, I'm going to open this up and see. We have here the warranty. Oh, thick user manual, but it's in 3 different languages. Online Photo Lab. Okay. The strap, which I hear no one uses. This looks to be the lens. Yep, it is the lens. To the side. Battery pack. The camera itself. So, yeah. This is one of the main reasons why I got it. Was this. So I actually know what I'm looking at. And what the camera is looking at is the flip screen. It's got like a nice good weight to it. It's nice and compact. I like it. And what we got here is the battery charger. Plug into the wall. Okay, so what it doesn't come with is a like a little memory card. So I'm going to charge up the battery, take out the memory card on this camera, and transfer it over to this. So this is the Canon Eos M50. I'm actually really liking it. It does not have a shotgun mic on it, so I'm just using the built-in microphone on this right now. I'm really liking like the crisp image I'm seeing right now on this. I do not know what it's running on, but it's actually very good. So, see if I can zoom in. Lighting's really good too, so. Alrighty, well, this is a test of my Canon Eos M50. I'm actually quite enjoying it right now. This camera, and it's also tracking my face, so that is good. Been going through all the settings and whatnot, and yeah, I even bought whatchamacallit, a SD card to run 4K video on this, which I will switch over like right now. Now the camera is in the same position as it was. There's some major cropping going on. I want to say probably at least 40% of a crop. So I'm gonna stand back, let it zoom in. So there we go. So this is 4K. Not really sure if it shows up good or not. Going to have to, upload this video and actually see. Audio, however, I did not get a shotgun mic. That is going to be the next thing I'm going to get. I was thinking either the Rode or the cheapy $25 one that seemed to be beating the Rode, which is $100. So, but yeah. So I hope the audio sounds good on this, because I really don't want to get my Yeti out and drag it all the way over here to pick up my voice. So I'm going to switch it back over to the setting that I had it at. Okay, next I'm going to be doing the slow motion setting and see how that is. So that was the slow motion test. Again, the audio, I don't know about the audio because, once again, this is the very first video that I'm using this on. And for some reason, it is... Yep, there we go. Now it's tracking my face. It was tracking my eye for some reason. But, yeah. The also cool thing... Now, the also awesome thing about this camera is it can connect to my phone. So, I'm loving that. This way I can actually make Instagram videos and or pics, of course. And it goes directly to my phone and I can just, post it there with high quality. So, So I took some pictures with this and also pressed the record button on this. Overall, I like this app. I don't have to get up, press the button. So this is kind of good if, you have an elaborate setup going on or anything like that. You could, just press the button here and things will go. So yeah, I like that. But sure enough, I'm still getting a hang of this, so stick with me. guys, this is it for this test of the Canon EOS M50. I'm actually really liking this. The next thing I'm going to get is the shotgun mic. But yeah, so far what I'm seeing is really good. I had a few days to test it out, and quite frankly, I love it. And yeah, pretty much this is my go-to camera now. But whew, yeah. Stay tuned for more videos now that I got like a decent camera. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this review. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like what you're seeing here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button, and I will catch you next time. Peace.